Kaka, happy birthday po. Sana po ay marami pang birthday ang dumating sa inyo. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Hindi na po ako nagbabaybay at wala naman tayo sa tabing dagat. Ay gayon po. Basta ari nga po, laging malakas ang inyong katawan at marami pang birthday ang sumapit. Ingat po kayo lagi. Salamat po.
Hello po, Tita Oni. Happy birthday po. Sana marami pong birthday pa ang dumaan sa inyong buhay. Mukhang hindi pa po halatang 70. Maganda pa rin, hindi nagbabago. Sana bigyan kayo ni Lord ng maraming pang birthday. Huwag niyo pababayaan ang inyong sarili. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat. God bless po.
Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best. Yun ako ang
Stay healthy po.
stay healthy at ano po. Salamat po sa lahat. God bless po. More birthday to pa po. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Connie. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Connie.
Sana maraming pang birthdays na dumating. Marami pang apo din na dumating. At malugang na ng isa pang beses. At lahat ay masaya tayo. Laging sama-sama. God bless po.
We love you.
Birthday, Tita Kone. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Long life. Stay healthy. Enjoy and celebrate your special day. God bless po, Tita Kone. Ingat lagi po. Stay safe. And regards.
Hello po, Lola Connie. Happy birthday po. How young are you na po? Hopefully po, more birthdays to come pa and more blessings pa. And God bless po. Ingat po lagi. We love you po.
Birthday po, happy 70th birthday po. Ingat po palagi. Stay healthy po and God bless po. Happy birthday po.
Tita ko my ever jolly tita. Kaya ako I always look forward talaga sa lahat ng mga conversations natin, tita. Ang dami kong natututunan from you. And it's your birthday. I wish you continuous happiness, good health for you, Tito Koy, and the rest of your family. Thank you, tita, and always remember that Sammy, the kids, and I are always be here for you and your family. Enjoy your day and God bless you and hope to see you soon, tita. Bye!
Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Nanay Connie, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa inyo ng lahat ng blessing and good health.
Sa amin pinakamama. Ang laging ko. Sa amin pinakamaganda at namamahalang nanay ko. Happy 70th birthday po. Wish ko lang po sa inyo good health at long life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Tita Connie! Happy birthday! Happy birthday po! Maraming pong birthday ang pagkalok sa inyo ni Lord.
Happy birthday, Tita Kone!
God bless po! Happy birthday po, Lola Connie! Happy birthday po, Lola
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Lola Nono!
Happy birthday, Lola Nono. Happy birthday, Lola Nono. Happy birthday, Lola Nono. I'm wishing you to be safe and healthy and have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang Ino!
Mano po!
Praying for abundant, joyful years ahead and for your continued good health, also for your family. We miss you, Ninang Ino. We miss your caldereta.
Ingat po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa mabait kong ninang, mapagmahal na ina sa kanyang mga anak, lalong-lalo na sa dalawa niyang apo. Hindi lang sa anak at apo, kundi pati sa kanyang mga pamangkin. Ang wish ko lang, good health ka palagi, more birthday to come, stay safe always, and God bless. I miss you po.
Hello po, Tita Connie. Happy 70th birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health po at salamat po sa inyo. Salamat po, Lord, at binigyan po kayo ng panibagong taon at marami pa pong kaarawan ang sumapit sa inyo. At lagi pong masaya, malakas, halakhakan, tawanan sa buong pamilya po natin. More birthdays to come. We miss you po. Enjoy your day po. God bless po. Happy birthday po ulit, Tita Connie. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. Happy 70th birthday. Remember our Bago Bantay Day. Then nalipat ng Santa Rita, then Meralco, and then Santo Tomas. Salamat sa mga padalang pagkain pagka nadaan kami dyan. Hindi nawawala ng padalang pagkain pa uwi, pasalubong. Nung nasa Bago Bantay pa, salamat sa baon. Pag pumapasok, pag sinusundo ko yung dalawa, may ano yan, lagi. May laging bigay ng every Friday. Kasama yan sa, kasama kayo sa nagpaaral sa akin nung college. Tsaka, siyempre, ang Tita Ineng. Alam mo, Tarne, pareho tayong pinag-aaral ng Tita Ineng. Mas matipid nga lang ako. Mas malaki gastos mo. Sana, abutin pa ng mas mahaba birthday at sabi nga kanina, maraming apo. Sabi ko ako magaling akong gumawa, hindi lang ako makayari. Anyway, Tita Connie, happy birthday uli. God bless. Good health.
More years to come.
MBTC. At kung kailan man ang handaan, magpasabi lang at magdadala ako ng plastic. Para may baon uli pa uwi. Papakita raw ni Ted yung mga Tupperware na malalaki.
Happy birthday po, Tita Connie. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Blay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Blay. We love you.
Birthday, Connie! Maraming pang birthday ang dumaan sa iyo at sa ating lahat na mag-anakan. Happy birthday, Uli!
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday na laging masaya at malusog ang katawan. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Hello ulit. Happy 70th. I couldn't be prouder to have a sister who
fed my children when they were young. I cannot forget that. Thank you. Thank you for taking good care of my children. I really, really love you. You know that. And now that you're 70, very healthy, you're so blessed. Children who have intact families, and you should be proud of that. So I would always want to thank you for you being a good sister to me, and I love you so much. Happy 70th birthday. You are very, very healthy. Thank God. You're so blessed. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, little sister Honor. Oh, it's your 70. It's a great, great year. And it's a great, great family. God bless you. I love you. I always pray for you. Be happy. Happy birthday to you.
Hi everyone, Santo Tomas, Kune, Anjo, Kokoy. This is my simple video message for your birthday sa Wednesday. 72 ka na. I mean 70 ka na. Ako ang 72. May intention pang magpaurong. Anyways, gumawa ako kanina ng video ayaw namang mag-send dahil sobrang haba daw, kaya I am revising this and making it a little bit shorter. Ang mahalaga ay mai-send ko yung message na ni-request ni Anjo. Video message daw. Sige, video. Ngayon ko lang naman ginawa ito sa sarili ko. Anyway, happy 70th. This is your peak of the moment dahil pati ng success ni Anjo sa pagkatapos ng napakamaraming taon na pinagdanasan niya, pinagdaanan. So, this is your success too on your 70th birthday. And Kukoy, ayan, even if kayong dalawa minsan ay nagkakalimutan, ay yun ay spice ng buhay daw ng mag-asawa, sabi ni Betty Collins. Kaya lang sabi ko, sana naman hindi napakatapang na spice na like sobrang hanghang. Baka naman hindi makain. Anyways, I know you are going to have a big day, big celebration, big cooking, busy ang kitchen. Anyway, idamay na rin ninyo ako kasi nung ako yung nag-70 ay hindi naman ako naghanda. Ako yung nag-72 last August. Naghanda naman kami lang ng mga kaibigan ko, ng aking ka-vibes. Hindi ko rin naman, mag-celebrate sana kami ni Naabing noon. Kaya lang masyadong maulan noon at napakalamig, hindi na kami lumabas. Nagbatian na lang. Ganyan naman ang buhay dito kahit may mga main event. Pagka ganun, ang weather din ang dahilan kaya hindi makapag-celebrate. And at the same time, ako naman nag-iisa. I don't want so much hassle doing that for myself. Okay na rin yung okay yung pakiramdam. Anyway, happy 70th birthday. Magluto ng masarap at enjoy. Kuhanin lahat ang mga mag-video kayo ng inyong mga anak at sige, happy lang. Happy birthday. Anjo, stick up with your parents. At ikaw naman ay very successful din sa iyong buhay. At salamat at mayroong kang second father figure na nagbaback up sa iyo. And so your obedience and loyalty is for Atty. Abang and also to all the people at Lasal who help you get to where you are now. Malaking bagay din yung naitulong nila sa iyo. At ikaw naman, meron ka ding effort na in-exert. Well, anyway, I don't want to be too concerned about sentimentality in the past. It's just that today is on Wednesday is Kune's 70th birthday. Happy birthday, Kune. Wala ka ng stress. Maalwan ang paghinga mo. Masarap ang tulog. At kayo'y napakalapit kay Padre Pio. Okay? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. The end.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Say happy
Happy
birthday, Lola.
Lola.
Like. I love you.
Love you.
Miss you po. Mwah. Say take care. Always.
Always.
See you soon.
I love you.
I love you.
Love you, Lola.
Lola.
Kailan?
So much. So much.
Hope to see you soon.
Kiss mo Lola. Kiss mo Lola.
Flying kiss, flying kiss. One more. Mwah.
Isa ba? Dami.
And we pray for your good health and pray na mas maging masaya pa sa mga susunod na araw, susunod na taon. Praying po na hindi na masyadong maligalig. And we know naman na this year is very, very special kasi may sarili ng bahay, malapit na magkaroon ng sarili ng sasakyan. And nakapasa na si Anjo sa wakas, and we're praying for more blessings and for more provisions for our family, not only for you and but sa ating lahat. Praying na magkasama-sama na tayo soon. And sana makasama na ulit kayo ni Gagab very, very soon. Praying for everything na maganda. Salamat and love you very much. Hope to see you soon. And happy birthday ulit po.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for cooking our favorite food. Thank you for taking care of us. We love you.
Thank you. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po.
Flying kiss.
Bye.